Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Pelcro Plain and Simple. We're so excited to see you back here, so without wasting any more time, let's dive in. So to start off, let's head to your Pelcro dashboard. What we're going to do is head straight to the sidebar on the left and click on Products. This episode is all about setting up products and payment plans. The products are what you're charging people for. Whether it's your written content, videos, etc., these all fall under the product umbrella. The plan is the subscription details, including how much you're charging them for said products, when they renew, etc. Pretty straightforward, right? To create a new product, click on the New button on the top right-hand side. Fill in all the necessary information, including whether you want to require a physical address, among other detailed questions. Once you've entered all of your product details, you click on the Create Product button and it will appear on the products page. And voila, you have a product. Next up, let's create your pricing plan. Just like setting up the product, setting up the plan is an effortless process. What you're going to do is click on Add Pricing Plan and then fill out all the required information. The optional information is to get a clearer understanding of all the nitty-gritty details. So you don't have to worry about that right now because you can always go back and add more details to your payment plan. Once you've entered all the information, save it by clicking on Create Plan, and you should now be able to see your pricing plan listed in the plan list linked to your product. Once you've completed it and created your plan with these steps, you are now ready with a product and plan prepared in your back pocket.